Hi, my name's Ruth Birdsmith. I'm Director of Allegheny County's Department of Minority Women and Disadvantaged Business Enterprise. The purpose of the Pennsylvania Unified Certification Program, or PAUCP, is to provide one-stop shopping for certification as a disadvantaged business enterprise or an airport concessionaire disadvantaged business enterprise. The PAUCP makes all certification decisions on behalf of all agencies or organizations in the Commonwealth with respect to participation in the DBE program. Firms certified as DBE and/or ACDBE are eligible to participate on any Federal Aviation Administration, Federal Highway Administration, and Federal Transportation Administration funded contracts. What are the benefits to being certified as a DBE? Greater visibility to contractors and consultants looking to utilize DBE firms to meet goals on federally assisted transportation projects. It also gives you access to free training, consulting, and other perks. You get a listing on the PAUCP database along with your business description. And the DBE certification is recognized by many state, regional, and local diverse minority and women business programs. Should I apply? Is your firm organized as a for-profit business? Is at least 51% of the ownership a U.S. citizen or lawfully permanent resident of the United States? Does the socially and economically disadvantaged owner or owners have a personal net worth not greater than $1.32 million? Is the applicant's firm 3-year average of gross receipts less than $23.98 million? Or, if an airport concessionaire, is the firm's 3-year average of gross receipts less than $56.42 million? If you answered yes to all of the above, you may be eligible to participate as a disadvantaged business enterprise and/or an airport concessionaire disadvantaged business enterprise. Please follow the videos in completing your application. Naturally, if you have any questions, you can call us at area code 412-350-4309 or email us at mwdbe@alleghenycounty.us.